Hey everybody, let me show you what cheatgrass looks like. So this plant is called downy brome. It's also known as cheatgrass. Now if you've got this one in your landscape, you definitely want to get rid of it as soon as possible because it'll cause you big problems down the road. So let's take a closer look. This is it right here. This is a smaller plant and this is a bigger plant. So it can be short or it can be tall. One thing that's really interesting about cheatgrass is that if you notice, the leaves on the grass are really small. So you're not going to notice this probably until it produces these amazing seed heads. Now, I recognize it by a couple of features. Once you've got the droopy seed heads, that's kind of a telltale sign. But in addition, if you look closely at the leaves, it's called downy brome because the leaves are downy. What does that mean? It means that they're very, very, very hairy and soft, really pleasant to the touch. So if you've got hairy leaves and this droopy seed head, you can be pretty much assured that it's downy brome. Now, once again, this is an annual weed. It germinates actually in the fall and stays as a super tiny plant over the winter, takes advantage of any spring moisture that's available, and then produces thousands and thousands of seeds as a group. So once again, it's a really easy weed to pull. It's got a super shallow root system, so not difficult to control, but very important to get it before it seeds. Here's a patch of cheatgrass, and you'll notice that some of it has started to turn purplish red right here. Now, this is what you don't want to let have happen because this is what it looks like right when the seed is mature. So in this case, see these little guys right here? These are going to spread throughout the surrounding area and create more and more cheatgrass. So you need to control it while it's green rather than once it turns purple. Now this particular plant, the seeds have not yet dropped, but you need to get to it quick once it starts to turn this color. Keep in mind that downy brome can be really short. It might only be 3 to 6 inches tall in a dry site, or it might be 18 inches tall depending on how much moisture it gets. One of the problems with cheatgrass is that it can take over an area really rapidly. So here's a corner of a street and a sidewalk, and you can see that the cheatgrass has just totally taken out everything in here and 100% colonized this little area. So if you don't control it, this is what happens over the long term. Now this is a good one to bag up and throw away. Don't put it in a pile in your driveway or put it in your compost pile because these seeds are extremely viable and they will spread everywhere. That is downy brome, which is also known as cheatgrass.